You're bought a domain from GoDaddy and now want to use Hostinger for your website. Let's connect them in under 2 minutes. First, log into your Hostinger account and navigate to your hosting dashboard. You'll likely see an option to set up a website and add your existing domain. Enter your GoDaddy domain name here and proceed. Hostinger will then provide you with its nameservers. Now switch over to your GoDaddy account and find your domain. Look for the DNS Management section. This is where we'll update the nameservers. You'll find a section to change or update your domain's nameservers. Delete any existing GoDaddy nameservers and carefully enter the 2 nameservers provided by Hostinger. Make sure to save these changes. Once saved, there's a waiting period called propagation. This is when the internet updates to recognize the new nameserver information for your domain. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours, but usually it's much faster. After propagation, your GoDaddy domain will now point to your Hostinger. Hosting your website files and content in Hostinger will be accessible through your GoDaddy domain. Simple as that.